If you're planning your decor for entertaining, you need to have furniture that's flexible. But you want to avoid having illusions about what your furniture can and can't do. It won't rearrange itself. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. Roominess brings you straightforward steps to an inviting home. Click the subscribe button for more bite-sized decor advice. You can find my newsletter, ebooks, and freebies over on my website. Occasional pieces are the ones that hide out in your home until they're needed. It's small furniture that helps us not cram our rooms with larger pieces that don't get used 90% of the time. The questions you want to ask about occasional furniture are, how often do I need additional pieces, and how many people do I need them for? If you only invite a bigger group over, say, once a year, do you really need to buy and store additional furniture pieces? Could you borrow something for those rare occasions instead? If most of your entertaining is for 10 or fewer people, then your occasional pieces can likely fit into your decor. If you entertain larger groups, you may need some kind of easily foldable and storable chairs.
I can't believe he said folding chairs.
If you're looking to blend your occasional furniture into your decor, here are some pieces to consider. Ottomans, benches, and poufs are easily moved around. Slipper chairs, dining chairs, and bar stools can be easily pulled in and out of conversation groupings, then later returned to their regular function. Occasional tables must be small enough that they can be moved around by one person, but they shouldn't be flimsy or easily knocked over. In my case, I bought a dining set with 8 chairs. The padded seats help them function well as occasional seating for larger groups. When you purchase occasional furniture, you'll need to consider where you're going to store it. But here's a decorating secret for you. Occasional furniture is often the answer to what do I put in this blank space? Dining chairs or slipper chairs can live next to hallway or buffet tables. Poufs or small ottomans can hide out under sofa tables or hall tables. Some ottomans can double as storage or a coffee table when used with a tray. Benches can be part of attractive arrangements with baskets underneath, art above, and a plant or umbrella stand beside it. With 8 dining chairs, I had to get creative to store them all. I even used a couple of chairs for display in my bedroom.
I can't believe he hung chairs on the wall.
If you have heavier pieces you need to move around occasionally, I would recommend having a set of furniture mover pads like these. My coffee table is thick metal and glass, so I use furniture movers to shift it when I have the dining table out. The coffee table gets parked under the piano. The pads are also useful to shift around medium-sized upholstered pieces easily by yourself. This can be helpful when you want to vacuum more of your unruly rug.
Oh, a demon rug.
Now, occasional furniture is always small, but should you get small furniture or big furniture to make your small space feel larger? I have a video on that right over here. You should watch. It's short. I'll see you there.